Hello, today we will understand what is strategic decision making. But for that, we have to understand first what is the meaning of decision making. In the earlier concept, we have already studied what is strategy. Now we will understand the meaning of decision making. Decision making means a choice which you have to make after consideration, after considering the things. So it is a choice which you have to make after considering things. So overall, strategic decision making is a managerial and functional process. Okay, it is a managerial process, means decisions, strategic decisions are not taken by the lower level or middle level, but are taken by the managers who are sitting at the top of the organization. So decision making is a managerial process and function of choosing a particular course of action out of several alternative courses of action for the purpose of achievement of accomplishment of an organizational goals or objectives. So this is the basic definition of decision making. So decision making is a managerial process, functional and function of choosing various choosing a particular course of action out of various alternatives. For example, you have these are the three colors and now you want to purchase a car. Now which color car you should purchase, black, yellow or blue? So it is up to you. Out of various alternative courses of action, you have to select one. Okay, for example, you choose the black one. So this is decision making. You made decision to choose this color car, black color. The same goes with the organization. Now decision may be general or specific. Decision may relate to day-to-day routine or day-to-day operations in an organization, and decision can be major and minor. Like the color of a car may be minor decision for some and maybe major decision for some. So decision can be major and minor. They may also be strategic in nature, like the way you are deciding, the way you are making decision can be strategic so that it can benefit in your near future. Now strategic decisions are different in nature than all other decisions which are taken at various levels of the organization. So there are at least 6 dimensions for strategic decisions. Okay, there are 6 dimensions are given. The major dimensions of strategic decisions. First is strategic issue require top management decisions. It means if an organization is facing any problem, any issues, then who is going to decide to resolve those issues? Top level management. So top management makes the decision to resolve the issues. So strategic issues require top management decision. Now strategic issue involve the allocation of large amounts of company resources. So strategic issues also involves the allocation of large amounts of company resources. Means that there are many problems in a organization. Now to resolve that problem, company needs money, large amount of money, so to purchase the resources, etc. So it involves allocation of large amounts of company's resources. Now strategic issues are likely to have a significant impact on the long term prosperity of the firm. So generally strategy is seen on a long term. Okay, now strategic issues are future oriented, not past or present oriented. So any strategic related issues, they are future oriented. It means thinking, strategic thinking involves the predicting the future environmental condition and how to orient for the changed condition. Now strategic issues usually have major, multifunctional, multifaceted, multi-business consequences. Strategic issues necessitate consideration of factors in the firm's external environment. That's it. This was the strategic decision making. I hope you understand.